we started?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, before going in detail of this chapter, let's have some brief review about this chapter.
Yes.
Okay. So this chapter is about a boy whose name was Jordi. Okay.
Yes.
This chapter was about a boy Jordi and a fawn. What is fawn?
Sir,
Child of deer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Child of
Child of deer. Okay. Whose name was whose fawn. Okay. So let's start. Before you read, often instead of rushing to the doctor to treat a small cut or burn, we find quick and effective cures using things available at home. Can you think of some such home remedies for what happened whenever you have some small injuries? Okay, then you immediately going to the doctor. Instead of going to doctor, you just do some home remedies. जैसे कभी कट गया है, थोड़ा जल गया है, तो what you used to do, you have some turmeric. You use some turmeric on cuttings and some many home remedies are there. What are you saying? Jordi's father has been bitten by rattlesnake. Do you know rattlesnake?
So what is the meaning of bitten?
His father was bitten by rattlesnake. This type of snake you used see in desert or in Rajasthan, you know, rattlesnake. The snake which tremble his tail. है ना? You rattlesnake. You heard the name of rattlesnake, na? Yes. So his father has been bitten by rattlesnake. Then what happened? He quickly kills a doe and uses its hurt. What is doe? तो उन्होंने क्या की? What home remedy they have made? उन्होंने quickly एक doe को मारा. What is doe?
deer.
Yes, doe is a deer. They killed a doe. है ना? They killed a doe and what they did?
Use their heart and liver.
Yes. Use its heart. Heart का use किया.
To remove the poison.
Heart and liver. Heart and liver. To remove the, they use heart and liver to remove the poison. उसके जहर को निकालने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? हिरण लाए. They have this doe and they killed it and out of their body, out of the body of that deer, what they brought, what they extracted. They extracted liver and heart. Okay,
Yes, sir.
liver भी निकाल लिया और heart भी निकाल दिया. And what they did, according to them, उन्होंने उससे poison को निकाल दिया. So it was their home remedies. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Jordi's wonder what will happen to the little fawn left without a mother. Now वो तो हो गया, उन्होंने poison निकाल दिया. Understood? Understanding?
Yes.
So उन्होंने poison तो निकाल दिया. Okay? लेकिन अब जो जॉर्डी था, the boy, he was wondering, he was worrying about the little fawn left without a mother. अब उस ये जो हिरन थी, okay, इसका जो बच्चा था उसके बारे में he was getting worried कि वो तो मर गई. They killed them. Okay. अब उनके what about that little deer? इसके बच्चे का क्या होगा? तो उसके बारे में he was worrying. उसको क्या हो रही थी? चिंता हो रही थी. He was getting worried. Jordi allowed, now let's start. Jordi allowed his thought to drift back to the fawn. Now the Jordi was thinking back to the fawn. He was thinking that baby deer. Okay, he was thinking of baby deer. He could not keep it out of the mind. Now he could not keep it out of the mind. He is constantly thinking about the baby deer, that is fawn. Okay. He had held it in his dreams, in his arms. Okay. So he had held it. He remembering him a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा याद कर रहा था उसको. And what in his dreams, अपने सपनों में याद कर रहा था. And what else in his arms, अपने arms में. Okay. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside. Now he went to his father's bedside. His father was there. He was bitten by a snake, and his father was relaxing there at the bedroom. So he went to the father, and let's see what he says to his father. Penny lay at rest. Penny was the name of her father. Yes. What was the name of his father? Penny. His father's name is Penny. Penny lay at rest means Penny was taking rest. His eyes were open and clear. But the pupils were still dark and dilated. Okay, his eyes are clear and open, but his pupils, what is pupils? Okay. Jody said, "Don't talk to each other. Look straight. How are you feeling, Pa?" Jody said, "How are you feeling, Pa?" "Just fine, son." He said, "Just fine. Old death has gone thriving elsewhere, but was not it a close save." He's saying, "Old death has gone. Somehow I have survived." He said, "Somehow I have survived." Understood? किसी तरह मैं बच गया. भगवान की कृपा से. Somehow I have survived. Where it is written, old death has gone thieving elsewhere means somehow I have survived. किसी तरह मैं बच गया. But was not, अभी भी पूरी तरह, I have not recovered yet. No say. But I have not recovered yet. Okay? अभी तक मैं recover नहीं हुआ हूँ. I agree. Okay? So he said, his son said, I agree. Penny said, I am proud of you. Penny said, I am proud of you, the way you kept your head and did what was needed. Now, if you look this line, the way you kept head, this is also a praise. The way you kept your head. Now if you going to translate it line by line, you won't get the meaning. The way you kept your head.
In which way you use your mind, and
the line reveals that the way you calmed yourself, the way you reacted means जिस तरह से आप बिल्कुल शांत रहे ऐसी सिचुएशन में ले गए. Understood? Calm and compose. Yes son. Yes son. Pa, do you recollect the doe and fawn? Now he is saying, Father, do you recollect the doe and fawn? What is the meaning of recollect? He asked to the father. Now father said, I can never forget them. मैं कभी भूल नहीं सकता. I can never forget them. The poor doe saved me. The poor doe. This poor doe. Why he is saying him poor?
because no sir, poorness that was not fine.
Okay, deer. He cannot forget the deer. Why? Because the poor doe saved him. Okay, the poor doe saved him. That's the certain. He said, I have not forgotten that. Pa, the fawn may be out there yet. Now he says that the child of doe may be out there yet. He was yet roaming here and there, moving alone because his mother was no more.
Yes.
So he was moving alone. He was feeling very sad.
Then he was searching his mother.
It might be hungry and very scared. Now that phone was might be hungry. Okay, he was thinking, he was recognizing that or realizing that he might be hungry. Okay, and very scared. He was scared also. बहुत डरा हुआ होगा. I suppose so. So he's saying, father is saying, yes, I suppose so. You are right. Pa, I am big boy now. I am big boy now, and I don't need to drink milk. He's saying, I am big boy now. I don't need to drink a milk. Why don't I go and see if I can find the fawn and bring it there and give my milk to him? He's saying, I am grown up boy. I don't need milk. So why we are not giving my milk to that child deer, that is fawn? Okay, understood? And bring it here. So he also said that please we should bring it here and raise it. Penny lay quiet, starting at the ceiling. Now Penny was very quiet. After listening his boy talk, whatever he said, he was quiet, starting at the ceiling, staring at the ceiling. What is staring? Looking.
Looking continuously to the ceiling.
Okay, staring to the ceiling.
Yes.
Boy, you have got me hemmed in. What is the hemmed in?
Means
in a situation
Where you cannot say anything, you cannot deny. ऐसा सिचुएशन में जहाँ पे आप मना नहीं कर सकते किसी को. ओके, यू कैन नॉट डिनाई. आप किसी को मना नहीं कर सकते. राइट दिस वर्ड, डिनाई. यू कैन नॉट डिनाई. आप किसी को मना नहीं कर सकते. You can't deny. This is the situation when you can't deny to someone. Deny means आप मना नहीं कर सकते. This is very good word, deny. Okay? What? Yeah, refuse may also be there, but deny is a good word. You know?
yes sir.
It won't take much to raise it. Pa, it will soon start eating leaves and acorn. Now he is saying, Father, we don't have much to do to look after him. बहुत ज़्यादा हमें मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. वो we will provide him leaves, सब कुछ पत्तियाँ दे देंगे, and we will provide him some brown nuts. That is acorn. What is acorn? Brown nuts. वो brown nuts, that is acorn. It is foodable item, means it is some type of nuts. Okay.
yes.
You are smarter than boys of your age. Now his father, you are smarter than the age of. What he said? You are smarter than boys of your age. He's saying that you are very smart than the age of your.
In the amount.
What are you doing? You are very smarter than the boys of your age.
Sir, हमने
In present, understood? We took it mother and it was not to be blamed. Okay? We took its mother and it was not to be blamed. We took its mother means we killed his mother. Now he is saying that we are the people who killed his mother. And if we will do this type of thing, then we will be not blamed. हमें कोई आरोप नहीं लगेगा, हम पे कोई पाप नहीं चढ़ेगा, है ना? We will not have to be blamed. We will not to be blamed. Surely it seems ungrateful to leave it to starve. So I cannot say no to you. I never thought I would live to see another day. उसका नाम था, okay? Mill wheel. Back with a mill wheel and see if I can find it. So he's saying, मैं उसके साथ जाके उसको खोज लूँ. ओके, with a horse.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You tell your ma, I said you can go. Now he's saying, father is saying, okay, you can tell your mother that I am going and you can go. He sidled back to the table and sat down. Now he sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. Now he sat down, and what was her mother was doing? She was pouring coffee. What is pouring? No? Yes, pouring. Okay? So she was pouring the coffee for everyone. He said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the phone. She held the coffee pot in mid-air. What happened there? He said to his mother, her mother, that I can go bring back to the phone. Father has allowed me. He said that father has allowed me to go and bring that phone. Then what happened? Her mother's coffee pot in mid-air. So she was distributing that coffee, and mid-air, in the mid of the talk, she stopped after listening. Okay, होता है ना mother, when we talk to mother कि मैं ऐसा कर लूँ तो at a certain, what mother's reaction is that? Okay, you want to do this. So in the mid of the, understood?
Yes, sir.
She held the coffee pot in the mid-air. So held the coffee in the mid-air. Okay, what phone? She's saying, what phone? Mother initially she was not agree. The phone belonging to the doe we killed. Now he's saying, mom, the same phone that whom doe we killed, whose mother we killed. Okay, वही फोन की बात कर रहे हैं जिसके माँ को हमने मार दिया था. Okay, we used the doe's liver to draw out the poison and save her. He is telling that हमने उसको मारने के बाद क्या किया, उसके लिवर को निकाल के और पॉइजन उसी से निकाल. Okay, she gasped. What is the meaning of gasped? See, gasped. What is the meaning of this?
Sir, half
Well, for pity's sake, Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Now again Pa is saying, pity's sake. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. और ये बहुत बुरा होगा. It will be ungrateful. बहुत बुरा होगा कि हम उसे भूख को मरने के लिए छोड़ दें. Okay? It will be ungrateful. Understood? Doctor Wilson said. Doctor also said that that's right, ma'am. That's right, ma'am. She also told to her mom that that's right. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The doctor said that nothing in the world comes quite free. कोई चीज दुनिया में फ्री नहीं आती. The boy is right and his dad is right. Means what he want to say कि कोई भी चीज दुनिया में फ्री नहीं आती. मीन्स अगर हमने इसके मदर को मारा है तो we should have some. Millville said he can ride a bike with me. Okay, now Millville, why you are talking to me? Yes, ma'am, मैं इसके साथ जाऊंगा और
I will help him and
हाँ, I will help him. Okay. She sat down the pot helplessly. Now she sat down the pot helplessly. अब उसके पास कोई चारा ही नहीं बचा. और जब इतने लोग बोल रहे थे, इतने लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे थे बॉय का, तो she was helplessly. Well, if you will give it your milk, you have got nothing else to feed it. Mom warned that boy that okay, ला तो रहे हो, you are bringing him, but if you will give it your milk, अगर आप अपने हिस्से का मिल्क उसको देते हो, then what will happen? We have got nothing else to feed it. If you will have to give, means उसको खिलाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. We don't have anything to feed that particular fawn. Okay. Millville said, "Come on, boy, we have got to get riding." Now he's saying, "Come on, boy, we have to go riding." Okay, we have to find out. Yes. Master asked anxiously. Now the name of his mother, Jody said, I will back before dinner for sure. He said that dinner तक तो आ जाऊंगा, don't worry. Okay? Mom बोलती है ना कि ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना. Okay? Mom used to say, बेटा ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना. तो he said that, okay mom, मैं dinner तक आ जाऊंगा, you don't worry.
I will come before.
है ना? Melville mounted his horse and pulled Jordis up behind him. Now he's mounted his horse. He make his horse ready and pulled Jordis up behind him. Now he pulled Jordis up behind him. अपने पीछे उसको pulled करके बैठा दिया. Okay? He said to Will, do you think the phone's still there? Okay. Now that boy is saying to Mill, do you think the फोन स्टिल देयर, क्या फोन अभी वहां होगा जहाँ पे हमने उसके मदर को मतलब पिकअप किया था. विल यू हेल्प मी फाइंड हिम, क्या आप मदद करोगे उसको खोजने में. वी विल फाइंड हिम इफ ही इज अलाइव. हाँ, ही इज सेइंग, मिलविल इज सेइंग, हाँ हम उसको जरूर खोज लेंगे अगर वो जिंदा होगा तो. ओके, हाउ यू नो इट्स अ ही. Now the Millville is asking, how you know that it is a he, it is not she. आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो लड़का ही था. Okay? How you know that this baby fawn was a he? He was a not she. Then the sport were all in the line. On a doe fawn passes, the sport are every which way. Means उसके पिता ने बताया था कि जैसे कि जो हिरन होती है तो उनपे जो फोन वो होता है डॉट, जो डॉट होता है, अगर डॉट एक लाइन में सेम लाइन तो मतलब वो मेल होगा. ठीक है, और अगर वो कहीं भी हो मतलब उसका कोई भी मतलब फिक्स ना हो पोजीशन तो इसका मतलब वो सी होगी. है ना? अंडरस्टूड. तो ये एंड रिमोट